Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Techwithdeepak. Today we will see about Rolls-Royce Wraith car. Wraith Rolls-Royce Wraith is a 4-seater coupe available in a price range of 6.22 rupees, 7.21 Cr star. It is available in two variants, a 6,592 cubic centimeters, BS6 and a single automatic transmission. Other key specifications of the Rolls-Royce Wraith include a curb weight of 2,440 kilograms, ground clearance of 150 mm and boot space of 470 liters. The Rolls-Royce Wraith is available in 11 colors. Over 30 user reviews basis mileage, performance, price and overall experience of users for Rolls-Royce. The philosophy of Rolls-Royce motor cars goes hand in hand with the high fashion industry. Celebrating this, the company has revealed its exclusive Wraith, inspired by Fashion Edition. This Wraith comes with exquisite and desirable materials enhancing the beauty of this already breathtaking car. Design inspiration comes from different color palettes, materials and techniques familiar to the fashion industry. Two-tone exterior color scheme of Andalusian white and Arctic white complements the signature shoulder line, further accentuated by a new hand-applied feature line in the selected highlight color hinting towards the interior of the Wraith. Just like finest clothing, the beauty lines and the extreme attention to detail paid on this vehicle. The claimed arrive mileage for the automatic variants, Rolls-Royce Wraith Petrol, is 10.2 kmpl. Rolls-Royce Wraith car is available in 11 different colors. Anthracite, dark emerald, black diamond, scala red, scarlet red, darkest tungsten, smoky quartz, midnight sapphire, Salamanca blue, bohemian red and petra gold. Specification of Rolls-Royce Wraith. Arrive mileage 10.2 kmpl. Fuel type petrol. Engine displacement, cc, 6592. No of cylinder 12. Max power, bhp at rpm, 591 bhp at 5000-5500 rpm. Max torque, nm at rpm, 900 nm at 1700-4500 rpm. Seating capacity 4. Transmission type automatic. Boot space 470 liters. Fuel tank capacity 83 liters. Body type coupe. Ground clearance unladen 150 mm. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel.